In this issue, I will introduce UVerVideo's basic video editing functions. Open UVerVideo and click the Add Video button below to start editing. Select the video or photo to be edited. Click Finish to import the video and enter the main editing interface. In the main editing interface, we can long press the video clip, drag and drop to adjust the playback order of the video. Click the clip button in the toolbar below to enter the clip editing. Here you can split, reverse, rotate, change speed, freeze and other operations on the video. Drag the ends of the timeline to trim the clip. You can also zoom in and out with 2 fingers to zoom in on the time axis to be accurate to each frame of the screen. Slide the timeline to quickly preview the screen. At the same time, you can zoom and rotate the material with 2 fingers in the preview box. Drag the material with 1 finger to adjust the position flexibly, which is very convenient. Volume. Adjust the size of the original sound of the video. Click the small speaker on the timeline to mute the video with 1 click. Split. Move the timeline to the position you want to split, and click Split to divide the video into multiple segments. After splitting the video, you can also drag both ends to adjust the duration and so on. Copy. Select the video clip and copy this video clip. Speed. Adjust the variable speed in the range of 0.1 to 100 times for video clips. Delete. Click Delete to delete unnecessary clips. Filters. Add filter effects. Adjusting the intensity of filter. Effects. The video clips can be divided into 2 screens, 3 screens, 4 square grids, 6 square grids, and 9 square grids. Animation. Add in, out, and overall animation effects to video clips. And drag to adjust the duration of the animation effects. Transform. Perform operations such as rotating, mirroring, flipping, and adapting to the screen. Picture-in-picture. You can switch the edited video to a picture-in-picture clip, adjust the layer order, and perform mixing operations to easily create stunning video effects. Reverse. Play the video in reverse order with 1 click to make a cool reverse video. Replace. Import and replace selected video clips. Audio detach. Detach the original soundtrack in the video, and perform operations such as dilute, split, and speed adjustment on the audio. Opacity. Adjust the opacity of the video. Freeze. Freeze a certain frame of the video. Drag both ends of the clip to adjust the freeze duration. After confirming, return to the main interface and you can add other editing effects to the video. That's it for the basic functions of video editing. In the next issue, I will introduce more video editing functions. Come and create your own video.